Hey guys, Minecraft TVHD here, and welcome back to another Terraria modern tutorial video. And in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make a custom sword. So let's get started. So I don't know whether we should continue with the old mod what we're making with the paper, but I think we should. So let's go into our item folder here, and I'll just basically explain my setup here. First of all, I've got my mod packs folder here, my Steam Apps Terraria folder here, and my items, buffs, characters, NPCs, stuff like that here. So what I'm going to do is I want a sword same as a Muramasa. So there we go, Muramasa. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open this up. Now I'm going to open up our paper, and I am going to check the difference. Let's put that there. Right, so we've got the width and height, the type, which needs to stay like that, the style, yeah, the animation, so we need to change that to be 20. The use time, we're going to change it to be 100, we're going to change these all to be the same. Max stack, I only want this to be 1 now. Now we need to add a new one here. We don't need play style anymore, or consumable. So we don't need them two, but what we do need is damage and knockback. So let's put them in there. And we'll say 7 damage and 3 knockback. Sorry about that. Now use turn true. Yep, scale 1.1. Let's change that to 1.1 then. Back. Let's change it to 1.3. Just see what it does. Sorry about that. That's my iPhone put a reminder saying that I need to make a video, which I'm doing. Now that's the value there, but it says here rare and use sound and melee. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab this melee, because I do want it to be a melee weapon, obviously. So to make this false, maybe I'll get more in depth in a different tutorial of how to make a bow, stuff like that. But there's a melee weapon, and the value, obviously we're going to keep it the same. In fact, I might narrow it down a bit to be 10 copper and 10 silver and 90 copper, just to give it a random number. Now we need a rare and use sound. So I don't really know what the use sound variable is. Like, I do know it obviously defines what sound it makes, but it doesn't actually tell you what sound. Like, I don't know what these numbers are, so I'm just going to leave it at 1, same as the Muramasa. Now I'm going to leave the rareness to 15. Hopefully that'll work. So let's save that out and exit the Muramasa and exit the paper. Now let's go into here and build our mod pack. So in case you don't know how to set this up, link in the description to my setup tutorial for this, and also a link in the description to my second video which showed you how to make this paper item. So let's select number 1. So it's successful, that's all good. So let's exit now and run Terraria through my Steam. Now I should be running quite a bit smoother now, but I'll be right back. 1 second, guys. And I've just resumed this video here just so I can show you which one you click on. You need to click on tconfig. It's started late. In fact, do you click on tconfig? I believe you do, yeah. So you click on tconfig and launch game, and I believe it's going to open in full screen. That's why I paused before, so I'm going to pause again right now. And I'm back into full screen anymore. And in case you're wondering why you guys can't hear any volume, it is in fact because, how do I say this? It is because my this Windows XP computer is dumb and it won't let me enable system audio. That's why I haven't saw any multiplayer videos coming out recently. So let's go into tconfig settings, tutorial off, reload, and then we'll change it to be tutorial on and reload again. Tutorial on, reload. And now I'm going to go into single player. I'm going to create a new guy. Just going to randomize him a bit. Stick with that. Put L. It is a female, by the way, guys. Sorry about that. Go on test. Let's just check how you craft this for starters. Apologies if it's running slow. Right. 5 wood at a workbench. Easy. Let's get crafting. That's enough. In fact, that's just enough. So there's our paper. Unfortunately, it makes 5. You should only be allowed 1. So let's put that there anyway. And as you can see, it's got like our nice paper swinging around in circles, and it should work as a sword. So I need to find something to kill. Normally slimes are everywhere, but when you actually want them, they're nowhere to be seen. So I'll pause the video and come back when I find something. And I've found some slimes here, so I'm gonna run down. But first of all, as you can see here over the top, 7 damage, very fast speed, and very weak knockback. So let's click on here and kill this slime. And there we go. So that's our basic sword made there. Now obviously you can change all these stuff to fit your abilities. Now, why is melee false? I do not know, that should be true. Apologies. But yeah guys, that's it. That's how you make your own custom sword. Now I'd like you guys in the comments below to tell me which you would like to see next, as I'm going to let you guys choose now. So would you can either see next how to make a non-basic item, basically it'll spawn a mob, any kind of mob, or maybe it'll spawn a merchant, you can spawn anything you want, or how to make your own buff, like the one where it allows you to glow and stuff like that. So do you want to see that, or do you want to see how to make a non-basic item? So please tell me in the comments below, and then once I've got 10 comments, I'll work out who, or 5 I should say, I'll work out who wins, and then whoever wins, I'll go ahead and make a video of that one and get it uploaded. So thank you for watching this video guys. Don't forget to rate. You don't have to like. If you dislike the video, be sure to dislike it. It'll help me know that people actually don't like my videos, and I'll be able to improve my content. But please, if you do dislike the video, tell me in the comments why you did it, so I can improve that part of my commentary, my gameplay, anything like that. But thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Peace out.